Welcome to Resorts World Las Vegas, the newest luxury resort and casino on the Las Vegas Strip. With over 3,500 rooms and suites, 3 different hotels, and a wide range of amenities and experiences, you won't need to leave this hotel.
When staying at this resort, you have 3 levels of luxury. Base level, you're going to have the Hilton. At the middle level, you're going to have your Conrad. And the very luxurious Crawford is going to be at your highest level.
Well, let's go check out the accommodations. Hi guys, welcome to our suite. Come on in. Welcome to our suite's lovely living room that is so large. Even my favorite part, an L-shaped couch. So as soon as you walk into the living room, there is a huge, what we call a mini bar, but it's not quite mini at all because it has storage here, an espresso machine, along with little amenity kits for your room, but don't forget, if you take it off after 30 seconds, you bought it. Now, we do also have a mini fridge stocked with a bunch of booze, and on this side is another mini fridge, which is super cool. And let's check out the rest of this suite. Come on. So this bathroom is very large, including a mini walk-in closet. It's kind of an open closet, if you will. It comes with 2 robes, which is amazing because I love robes. And one of my favorite things is that it does have a separate vanity outside of the actual bathroom. There's so much room in this closet. There's even storage above it for extra blankets and pillows. And look at this amazing bathroom. It is gorgeous. There's a toilet inside of this door here, and next to it is a walk-in shower that is huge. Oh my God, I can't believe how big this is. You could have a full party in this shower. Let's go look at the bedroom. Look at this bedroom. It is absolutely beautiful and super cozy with a king-size bed and a chase lounge. This suite comes with 2 different thermostats, so you can keep your room a different temperature than the living room. That's amazing. Then next to the bed, there are little buttons that you can close your sheers, your drapes. You can turn all of your night lights on and off if you so desire. There's even one when you enter the bedroom. So you can even shut this door here and create 2 separate rooms. Now you've got 1 bedroom here and 1 bedroom here because this couch has a pull-out bed underneath it.
Now that we've shown you how sweet this room is, let's go down and check out the rest of the resort and all the amenities that it has to offer.
The resort has 70 different retail shops, including high-end brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and my favorite, Gucci.
Resorts World is actually one of the newest hotels on the Strip, and it took the place of Stardust.
There are over 40 different dining options at Resorts World Las Vegas, ranging from casual eateries to fine dining restaurants. Some of the notable options include famous food street eats, a collection of global street food vendors, and Kusa Nori, a Japanese restaurant from Chef Akira Bak.
So this place actually has like 15 restaurants that you can order from. And then once you're ready to order, you just come over to one of the kiosks and place it right here.
I got us the caviar special. They're running for March Madness right now, so it's 20 grams of delicious caviar. The resort has 5,000 seat theater that will host a variety of concerts, residencies, and other events. Additionally, there is 75,000 square foot nightlife venue called Zouk Nightclub, which features multiple bars and dance floors. And I promise you, you'll see someone, aka DJs, like DJ Aoki. The pool complex at the Resorts World Las Vegas spans over 220,000 square feet and features 7 different pools, including an infinity pool, the Bimini pool, where you can also drink at the Bimini bar. There's also a family pool and cabana and daybed pools where you can rent cabanas and daybeds. The casino at Resorts World Las Vegas is one of the largest on the Strip, with over 117,000 square feet of gambling space. It features a wide range of table games, slot machines, and video poker. With so many amenities and experiences, Resorts World Las Vegas is a perfect destination for those looking for a luxurious getaway on the Las Vegas Strip. That's it for us here at the Las Vegas Resorts World Conrad. We hope that you guys enjoyed this. It was only a 24-hour stay, which clearly was not long enough. If you did enjoy this video, give us that thumbs up. If you've done so already, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We can only grow with you. We do have more details in our description box below. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Here. Why isn't it doing it? There they go. They're moving. And then night. Ready? Oh my gosh, this shower is just so big. Holy moly. More room for activities in here. I'm really sad that we're going to be leaving this room, but we hope you guys enjoy.
So this is actually the site of the casino. So this is actually the site where, Resorts World is one of the newest hotels.
That's it for us here at the Las Vegas.
Good.
All right, guys, that does it for this tour of the Conrad at the Hilton Resorts. Start over. All right, guys, that does it for the